Yep. The sides of the estuary are pretty vertical, so if you get close to a barge or something that's parked on the shore, you're pretty safe over there. There's nothing between what you can see and what you'll hit.
The tacticians should look along the shores for obstructions that could create wind shadows.
We're sailing on boats that are one number up, so if you were on number 2 boat yesterday, you're on 3 now. If you were on 5 yesterday, you're on 7.
Just to make it.
And it's an endless line.
2, 1. All clear.
Ready to tack?
Is that our bow?
Ready.
Ready?
In 3, 2, 1, tack. Keep turning, keep turning, keep turning.
We got a 0 boat coming in behind us.
Keep turning, keep turning. Straight. Down 5. Straight.
Marks at 1 o'clock. About 5 boat lengths away.
Keep turning.
Watch your head.
Move across. Straight.
You're
Down
reaching.
5, we're reaching.
Reach.
Made out.
We thought, well, a second and a third is pretty good, and then they gave us an opening, and we took it.
In first place, California won.
Guys, thanks for being here, and everybody I think deserves a round of applause for showing up and for giving it a good go and for sticking together. How's that?
Thank you for coming again to the 2012 California Invitational Blind Sailing Regatta, and who wants to do it again?